Welcome again to another instructional video on how to use the WhatzOn app. In the previous video, we talked about setting up your club's profile so it's displayed on the application. Now we're on the phone screen. We're going to open our application. It's the white square there with the blue logo in the middle. Tap on that, brings you to a splash screen, what's on, discover what's around you, and then you're presented with events, categories, and attractions. We're going to go stick to events today. And in particular, we're just going to have a look and see what the club, or the Seaside Golf Club, if you like, looks like on the phone. You recall in the previous video, we set up an event. There it is there, and the details about the event, the date, the address, the phone number, hosted by Seaside Golf Club, and view external link. There's action items on the screen here. Anything in purple or blue will take you to a redirection. You can use a view external link. It may direct you, if you choose, to your website where it talks about this particular 4-ball event. Alternatively, if you click on here, you can use Apple Maps or Google Maps to find the Seaside Golf Club, particularly if you haven't been there before. And you can also ring directly out of the event screen as well. We're also going to go down to hosted by Seaside Golf Club, and this is where we set up our club profile. We tap on that. If you recall from the previous video, this is exactly what it looked like when we're setting it up in the web environment. You note there's a redirection to the website, trading hours, brief description, and the address again. You can call again off the club's profile screen. And at the bottom, you'll see there's posts, the event we just had on the screen a moment ago, deals, and gallery. Now the gallery, we don't have anything in there yet, but when an event has expired, you can actually post pictures of the event. It might be some pictures of the golf day and so forth for others to view. Again, posts, events, and deals. Now we've saved the event. Go to the top right of the screen there, you'll see the little ribbon. I've just unsaved it for this example. Now we're going to save it. When you click on save, that will now save into your personal profile. So you can go directly into that and see what your local club is doing and what events and what deals are on. Go back, I'll just show you what that looks like in the profile. This again is the front screen that we looked at the start. If you go to the bottom of the screen, you'll note there's 5 categories. What's on, so that's where your events are. There are communities you can set up. I'm a member of many communities. There's a number there. I'm part of the Swan Hill Golf community in this example. And this is where you can post other events and so on, or join a community of friends. You'll see there's a number of people who have joined that community to talk about golf events. Deals. So deals there, you can go view all. These are the events that have been loaded. We'll go into the inbox. Inbox is simply a texting environment where you can share pictures and your location and talk to your friends, very similar to what's available on the iPhone or the Android. But again, back to your profile, and this is how you can quickly find out what's going on at your local club. You'll note there that I've got the Mildura Working Man's Club and some other local clubs, just as an example. I'm the CEO of the Mildura Working Man's Club, and I've already set up a profile there. So again, I can go to my club and see exactly what's going on, what events are on, what deals. And again, because it's a club, anyone can access a deal from a club. Just go claim deal, and there it is there, and present that at the club and you'll access the deal. Because we've favorited, in this example, the Seaside Golf Club, again back to the purple ribbon, and we've favorited an event, that goes into our profile. But because we've favorited the profile of the club, I'm going to show you why you do that and why you would encourage your members to do that. It's very similar to following someone on Facebook or following someone on Instagram. We've kept that environment similar so there's no confusion. In the background, in the web environment, I have set up an event, a members draw event, and now I'm going to show you, because we've favorited the Seaside Golf Club, what the notification looks like you'll get on the screen. So I'll publish that event, and there you go there. That's the notification you get. Now, when you tap on that notification, it will take you directly into the members draw. But for this example, we're going to go back into the app. Go to the local club. And there's the members draw events just posted there. So again, address, phone number, and so on. I know from my personal experience, in order for me to text our members, it costs us $660 each time we do that. Yes, there is a small subscription for clubs for using this application, but at $660, certainly for us, it's only a couple of texts and you've covered the cost of the application anyway. I hope this video is starting to show you exactly how this application can not only drive trade through the door, but also keep your members informed. Have a great evening, and we will see you in the next video.